What's up guys, I welcome you in this video. I just want to share with you something very interesting. If you can see here, we have this interesting market structure. If I can just point it out for you, we have that resistance all the way there, and if you can see below, we have a very simple support level, and we can see that price reversed on the support level through this double bottom, although it breached the level and started reversing all the way below this price right here. But we can see that it is indeed signs of price respecting this support level, and then we receive this resistance. After receiving this resistance, you can see that price acted as if it is obeying that resistance level, and it went down. So it was a very tempting point, or a tempting price, where traders will find themselves executing a selling trade or a short trade. But what you have to keep in mind is that before you can trade something like a support or a resistance, you need to be sure of where the price is coming from and how it entered into that minor range. So we can say that we have a very small range here. We just have these levels, which I can just point with circles. We only have these three levels, and obviously this one, which is still under formation. So it is important for you to know, or to note, where did the price come from and how did it reach that level. So if you can see here, you can see that price was moving down, controlled by the sellers. You can tell by the lower lows and also the lower highs. So we can see that the strength was on the seller side, and then all of a sudden we received a breakout of this downward trend. If I can just put a trend line all the way there, let me just change the color and make it a little bit different. So you can see that we received a breakout all the way in this area around here, and then this breakout, it told us something very important. And the thing that it told us was that there is now a difference in the flow of the market, or there is now a decline in the strength of the seller. So when we receive this breakout, price going up, it means that the buyers, they're getting a little bit stronger. Why? Because if the flow of the trend is changing from strength to weakness, it means that the opposing side is now gaining strength, and in this case the sellers, they're getting a little bit weaker. And we can even tell with this size of this corrective wave, it is very big compared to the previous wave. So we can see that this corrective wave is a little bit bigger compared to the previous waves, and it tells us that, okay, the buyers are getting strong. So then we receive this wave, and then another wave which is even bigger. So you as a trader executing a sell here, it means that you are ignoring what the buyers have already told you, which is a strength or increase in their momentum. So the buyers, they're trying to tell you that, hey, look, we're getting stronger and stronger. But you as a trader, you ignore that fact, and you begin to say, okay, I'm also going to bet on the sellers, which are now getting a little bit weaker, because for this trend changing from a downtrend into a range, it simply means that the sellers, they are getting weaker and the buyers are getting stronger. So whatever that you do as a trader in this case, or in this range, it is to bet on the side that is getting stronger, which are the buyers in this case. So you should avoid executing sells in such resistant areas, because it is not safe. Why? Because the side, or the sellers in this case, they are getting weaker and weaker, and the buyers, they're getting stronger and stronger. So for you to make money as a trader, you need to make sure that you go with the side that is becoming stronger and stronger. I'm just gonna keep it short and leave it here. Thank you guys for watching.